Python is the most popular programming language in the world because of its simple and beginner-friendly syntax. And that's the number one reason it's hated by C++ programmers. It's the language of choice of artificial intelligence and machine learning, but also heavily used in scripting, automation, and backend development. It has a huge ecosystem of third-party libraries, such as NumPy for numerical computing, Pandas for data analysis, scikit-learn for machine learning, TensorFlow for deep learning, Django for building web application, and Kiwi for cross-platform desktop and mobile apps. In case you care, Python is 33-year-old. It was created by Dutch programming in 1991 and named after the British comedy Monty Python. Python is an interpreted language, meaning you can run your code without the compilation step, but you need an interpreter that's written in C. For performance, unlike other languages, Python has hidden games. We can import this for the Xen of Python or anti-gravity for a fun surprise. We can declare a variable with a name and a value that can be a string, a boolean, or a number. Python is a dynamically typed language, meaning the type of variable is determined at runtime. Unlike other languages in Python, we can add or even multiply string and numbers. Python has four types of data collection: lists, tuples, sets, and dictionaries. Now, unlike many languages, we can use a negative index to count backward. To define a function, use the def keyword and indentation to declare a block of code. So no calibration, and that's another reason Python is hated by C++ programmers. Python also supports object-oriented programming. You can define classes using the class keywords and have them inherit from each other. Python comes with a base trees, including a huge library of built-in modules for tasks like working with a CSV, JSON, emails, web scripting, and so on. And that was Python in 2 minutes.